How to get Kindle Unlimited. Kindle Unlimited is a subscription service from Amazon that offers access to millions of ebooks, audiobooks, and select magazines. It's an excellent option for avid readers who enjoy exploring various genres without purchasing individual titles. Here's a detailed guide on how to get Kindle Unlimited. Understand what Kindle Unlimited offers. With Kindle Unlimited, subscribers get access to over 4 million ebooks across various genres, thousands of audiobooks included with select titles, access to popular magazines and digital publications, ability to read on any device via the Kindle app or Kindle e-readers. Check Kindle Unlimited availability. Kindle Unlimited is available in many countries through Amazon's regional websites. Confirm its availability in your region by visiting the Amazon site specific to your country. How to sign up for Kindle Unlimited. Go to the official Amazon website. Search for Kindle Unlimited in the search bar. Select Start your Kindle Unlimited membership. Choose your preferred subscription plan, monthly or promotional offers. Log into your Amazon account or create one if you don't have it. Confirm your payment details and complete the sign-up process. Current subscription options and promotions. Amazon often offers promotions for new users, such as 30-day free trial for first-time subscribers, discounted 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month plans during holiday seasons. Amazon Prime Day offers with extended free trial periods or discounts. Access Kindle Unlimited books. After signing up, visit the Kindle Unlimited section on Amazon. Browse available titles or use the search bar. Select Read for free on eligible books. The book will be available in your Kindle library immediately. Read on any device. Kindle Unlimited books can be read or listened to on Kindle e-readers, Paperwhite, Oasis, etc., Amazon Fire tablets, the Kindle app for iOS, Android, PC, and Mac, Amazon Cloud Reader, web-based reader for browsers. Manage your Kindle Unlimited subscription. Log into your Amazon account. Go to your memberships and subscriptions. Select Manage Kindle Unlimited membership to view, renew, or cancel your subscription. Return books when needed. You can borrow up to 20 titles at a time. If you reach the limit, open your Kindle library. Choose the book to return and select Return this book. This allows you to borrow new titles without extra charges. Canceling your subscription, if needed, go to your account. Then, Memberships and Subscriptions. Select Manage Subscription under Kindle Unlimited. Click Cancel Membership. Your access continues until the billing cycle ends. Kindle Unlimited is perfect for readers who enjoy exploring diverse genres without committing to purchasing each book individually. The flexibility of reading on multiple devices and the variety of available content make it a valuable service for book lovers.